Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your password to your Call of Duty account. So if you've been using your Call of Duty account with a certain password but now want to change it to something else because you feel the password is not strong enough or because of any other reason, you have to stick with me till the end of this video to find out how exactly you can do that. But before we get into the video, if you haven't yet subscribed to App Guide, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time that we upload a new video. So without much ado now, let's get straight into the video. Do make sure that you follow the step-by-step instructions in order to change your password. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then make sure that you are onto the page that says callofduty.com. When you go to callofduty.com, you will land on an interface that looks probably like this. And there you can see that on the top right corner, there are 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines. And if you're already logged into your account, you will see an option that says Profile. Select Profile. Selecting the option Profile will now direct you towards your profile information. So wait until your profile completely loads. In the profile section, you can see here that there are different information related to you. Now, amongst these information, you have to tap on Basic Info. Once you tap on Basic Info, here are different instructions that are given to you. And under Personal Information, you can see an option that says Password. Tap on the Edit option. And then what you can do is, if your account is already verified, which means that if your email address has already been verified to your account, you will directly be able to set up a new password. But if your account has not been verified through your email, you'll be sent an OTP into your email, and there you have to copy the code here and then verify your email address. Since my email address is already verified, I can simply enter the new password that I want to set for my account over here. So tap on the new password section in order to add a new password to your account. So here, I'm just going to do that and then retype the password once again in order to confirm your password, and then tap on the Go button or the Done button. After you do this, you can see an option that comes up there that says Save. So tap on Save in order to save your changes. And now what you have to do is, in order to verify your account, you have to enter your password. So just enter the initial password that you had to your account and then tap on Submit. After you tap on Submit, the editing will complete and your password will now have been changed. So this is basically how you can change your password to your Call of Duty account. It's somehow a step that you need to properly retaliate in your mind and perform. So I hope this video has been able to guide you through doing that. If you changed your own password by watching this video, do let us know in the comment section below. And also,